Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix an unexpected error occurred on Facebook problem. So let's just get started. So these problems are basic problems, so it might occur through anything. It might occur through, let's say, the internet connection problem, or even the server down problems, or many more like slow internet and others too. So basically, firstly what you can do is just go to your new tab or new page and just search for down detector like this, and then go to this first link over there and it will be like this. And now just scroll down and search for this Facebook. Go there, and over here this page generally shows if there is any error with the server or is there any problem with the Facebook going on. So currently it says user reports indicate no current problems at Facebook. So it's safe guys, there are no problems, or it might say user reports indicate there are some current problems at the Facebook. That means a server is down, server is working to fix on it. So then what you can do is from here you can have the status of the Facebook, or you can like reload it and check if there is any problem occurring. Otherwise what you can do is you can go to your, let's say, internet connection. Just go to a new tab and check fast.com and check your speed of the Wi-Fi, if it's working or not from here as well. So that's how you do it, and reload it again. It might work guys, it might fix everything. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.